Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to show you how you can password your folder or files in Windows. All right. Now this is the file we want to password. Okay. Right click on the file. Go to add to archive. Click on it. Now come to this point where you have archive format. Put a tick in the zip to zip the folder. Now go to where you have archiving options. Put a check in that first box, which is delete files after archiving. Now go to this point where you have set password. Click on it. Now enter the password that you want for your folder or file. Now come to this part. Type in the same password. All right. Go and click OK. Click OK. All right. So now we have this folder passworded. So let's see if we can open the files inside of the folder. I'll double click. Now double click again. Okay, you would see all these asterisks there. It shows that the files are passworded. Let me double click the first file there to see if we would have access to it. Now it gives me access so I can enter the password, right? So I'll close that. Now let's go back to the file and see, or the folder, to see if we can extract the files inside of it. So I would right click, go to extract here. Again, it gives me that option to enter the password. Okay, so that's it basically. The file or the folder is passworded. Right. Now to remove the password from the folder, what you need to do is right click on the folder, go to extract here. Now put in the password. Okay, click OK. All right, so that's it. If I double click the file, can you now see I have access to my folder? Is no longer passworded. Go back. Now I can just quietly delete the zipped folder, and then I have access to that. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. What are you waiting for? Yes, you. What are you waiting for? I'll see you in my next video.